Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are exploring two gentle rows of hiragana, the ma row and the ya row. Both are simple, rhythmic and full of everyday words that make Japanese sound so graceful. Let's learn them together nice and easy. With ma, ma. Words like magomusume, granddaughter, and mama make this sound warm and familiar. Next is me with mimi meaning ear and michi the road, both light smooth sounds. For mu, think of murasaki the color purple and mushi insects, two words that bring images to mind very easily. Then comes me with megane glasses and memories, clear, soft and pleasant to say. And for mo gives us the sweet momo meaning peach and the cute word marshmallow meaning marshmallow, easy and fun. Now that the ma row is complete, let's gently move forward into the ya row, another simple and beautifully balanced set of sounds. We start with ya, found in words like yama, mountain, and yasai, vegetables. Very common and very helpful to remember. Next is yuki, snow, and yuka meaning flower. Soft sounds and easy pronunciation. And finally yoru the night and yomu to read, a perfect ending to the ya row. And here comes a time of a quick revision of ma and ya row. Mami-mu-me mo, ma-mi-mu-me mo. Ya-yu-yo, ya-yu-yo. Thank you so much for learning with me today. We covered two beautiful hiragana families, the ma row and the ya row, all with simple words to help you remember the sounds effortlessly. If you enjoyed this blended lesson, do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with another gentle step in your Japanese journey. Bye for now. Goodbye.